Hi, it's Liz with Sew4Home, and I am here to tell you a little bit about our curved sidewall embroidery applique tote. This is a project that we did to feature the benefits of the new Janome Memory Craft 1000. It's a sewing and embroidery model. It's compact, it's flexible, it has so many features. We had a blast using it, and it's what allowed us to do this applique embroidery. If you're new to machine embroidery, or maybe if all you've ever done is just classic machine embroidery, applique and embroidery combined is really fun and gives you a very textural look. So the white that you see here, that is actual fabric. So you have the layering effect that you get with applique, and you combine that with a beautiful stitch using a machine embroidery design. Built in, of course, to the MC 1000. And because it's got great onboard, on-screen editing functions, we were able to enlarge, to reduce the design, to duplicate it, even to mirror image and flip it. So it has a ton of power, and we love what we came up with our tumbling flowers, which we do have a placement template for you to get the same effect. In addition to going through how to do the embroidery itself, we also, of course, have instructions for putting the entire tote together, including details on these great looking outside flat felled seams, how to make custom corded handles, the inside, which has a cool hanging pocket, and as they say, so much more. So the project comes with a complete pattern set so that you have everything you need to put it together, even the bias cut strips for these cool corded handles. The project itself really has so many great techniques that you can learn from the embroidery through all the construction steps, and it is a great way to see what the Memory Craft 1000 can do, maybe give you a little inspiration to stop by a Janome dealer and do a test stitch for yourself. I hope you'll give it a try. The Curved Sidewall Tote, including the free pattern, is available right now at Sew4Home. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing.